Furthermore, there are some critics who say, and they believe in the religious illusion theory, saying that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he wrote the Quran from his knowledge, from his experience, from various events and surroundings, without knowing that he was actually the author of the Quran. Some say that Nauz Billah, God forbid, he was a crazy person. Now, no person who has an illusion or no person who's crazy can be so firm and accurate constantly for a period of 22.5 years. The Quran wasn't revealed in one shot or in one day or at one moment. It was revealed over a period of 22.5 years. No person who has an illusion or has a visionary can be so constant for a period of 22.5 years. And there are various occasions. For example, in Surah Kahf, chapter number 18, verse number 22. When the people asked about the story of the people of the cave, or about Zulkarnain, he said, I will answer you tomorrow. But the Prophet could not give the answer tomorrow. He kept on postponing it for 15 days until a revelation came in Surah Kahf, chapter number 18, verse number 23-24, that, O Prophet, never say, I will do tomorrow without adding, Inshallah, if Allah wills. Imagine for 15 days, the Prophet was in tension, he was sad, that why isn't the wahi coming? So then Allah sends the wahi, that do not say, I will say tomorrow, without saying Inshallah, that if Allah wills, if God wills. And if he wrote it from his mind, he would have immediately given the answer or given the answer next day. So because there was a delay, many people accepted Islam and they realized that this cannot be a handiwork of a human being. It has to be a revelation. And that verse is included even today in the Quran. If a person who writes the Quran, why should he mention such a verse in the Quran? Indicating that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not crazy, and he had no illusion. There are another group of people who say the Prophet Billah was crazy. Then we prove him. How can he be crazy? Then they say no, that he was a liar. And we prove he's not a liar. Then they say he was both. A person can either be crazy or a liar, but he can never be both. Because a crazy person, when you ask him a question, he immediately gives a reply whether logical or not. A liar will think and try and give an answer which is correct. So both are contradicting. And we know that the Prophet was neither of the three. Neither crazy, neither liar, neither both. So surely, with all these replies, we can surely realize that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was not the author of the Quran.